रोज की शिकायत कि घर के खाने में बाहर जैसा स्वाद नहीं है। अब देखती हूँ कैसे नहीं आएगा स्वाद। अब तो स्वाद आएगा ही आएगा।
खाने को अगर स्वादिष्ट है बनाना तो जोर नहीं सिर्फ दिमाग लगाओ।
दिमाग?
इससे आएगा खाने में असली स्वाद।
मसालों का ये जादू दिलों पे छा जाएगा। स्वाद का जो है दम सुबह को भा जाएगा।
राजेश मसाले, अब आएगा खाने में असली स्वाद।
खास मुलाकात रात 9 बजे।
Hello everyone, this time I am in Dalangi Panchayat of Bindi block, Giridih district, and with me is Mr. Mahfouz Alam, the Mukhya of this Panchayat. Mr. Mahfouz Alam is a very young, smart and well-educated public representative. Today I am in this Panchayat with my team. Let's talk to him and through him try to know something about the work of development, progress, upliftment and betterment which are being done by him for 5 years continuously. Mr. Mahfouz, you are welcome on our channel.
Hi, how are you?
You were elected as the Mukhya of this Panchayat before 5 years. For 5 years you have been serving the people of this Panchayat. How do you feel when you serve the common people?
When I serve to the common people, basically the lower classes peoples, I feel complete satisfactions because many of them people like me who study over here and settle down to the abroads and the many metropolitan cities, then it's not getting a time to serve the people to the below poverty line over here. So I feel my family and myself is the luckiest person over here that I'm serving them with my heart and souls and complete satisfaction.
It gives satisfaction to the Mukhya of this Panchayat to serve the common people and to do the work for their upliftment and betterment. For 5 years continuously, Mr. Mahfouz Alam has been successfully serving this Panchayat and this Panchayat's common and simple people as well. Mr. Mahfouz, for 5 years you are the Mukhya of Dalangi Panchayat. You are young and educated. For 5 years you have been working for the Panchayat and common people. Main works which you have done so far in your 5 years of term, what are they?
Basically, I have done many things, but I can't say in a proper language that I have done many things. I have just done my responsibility the first phase over here. First thing I have done, I have told the peoples, I have never allowed to the peoples to visit the blocks. That's the main achievement of my panchayat. Because all the things over done from my panchayat over here only. I made all the Padadhikaris, all the panchayat sachievs, all the Karamcharis to sit over here so that people gain the benefit from directly over here. I have done Pradhan Mantri Awas also.
How many people have got the advantage of Pradhan Mantri Awas?
Approx 200 people from the last 50 years that belong to the SEC data we have provided from here, from Panchayat Sachivalaya only. No need to go over their blocks. All the documentations, all the geotagging we done from here only.
Almost 200 people have been given the Pradhan Mantri Awas. And what about the SBM toilets?
SBM approx we have done 700 SBMs, which is done by the people self-built the people, because our the toilets which is built by the self, that's the best things over here because the people used them with their own.
You have given toilets to the Panchayat's common people. Is Dalangi an ODF free Panchayat?
Yeah, definitely. We have done the ODF in 2018.
2018.
Yeah, 18 July 2018 we have done the ODF.
Which types of work have been done for the very poor people of your Panchayat? As far as pension is concerned, the pension works are done by you. What is the condition of it?
Truly speaking, for last 2 years, government has not allotted the pension. That's the frank speaking. From last 2 years, government has not allotted for the pensioners. We have done the pension for last 13 years. Since 2017, we have done the last pension over here, and we are just recommending 2020. We have started now and selected 50 tutors for this financial year. Hopefully, we'll do the best thing. We'll try to the pensioners with the widows as well as the old age pensioners. About 50 to 60 we have selected and just recommended to the widows.
Mr. Mahfouz Alam, the Honorable Mukhia of Village Panchayat Dalangi, telling us about the work for 5 years continuously which are being done under his guardianship and leadership for the betterment and upliftment of this panchayat and this panchayat's common people as well. Mr. Mahfouz, the Honorable Mukhia of Village Panchayat Dalangi, Block Birni, Giridih, Jharkhand. Will you please tell our viewers the condition of the road, electricity, education, health, agriculture, and the basic needs and requirements of the common people on panchayat basis? What is the condition, current condition, the present condition in your panchayat? For 5 years you have been working in this panchayat. Now, are you satisfied? Tell me or tell us the condition of these basic things.
Actually, as we compare from 2015 to 2020 of these financial years, many of things of work done over here. We have achieved the electricity over 23 hours, approx 23 hours in last 5 years. We have supplied to the water to the every households. We have achieved small roads we have done with the
facilities of power block and PCC.
Everything we have done approx 16 to 18 power blocks over here. PCCs we have done 16 to 28 PCCs over here. We have done drainage also. So that it's the small things, you know. When you passes to the this area to the another, so it connects to the small places. So it's the basic things. We provide electricity, we provide water facilities, we provide road, we provide drainage. So we have to see the ratios, what we have, what we were in 2015 and what we are in 20.
As you told that there are about 23 hours a day, the people are getting the electricity. Have you provided the facility of solar light or street light in your panchayat?
When it was, last year only, we have achieved 23 hours of facilities. Before we have provided street light over here, as well as the solar light facilities over here. Before, because there was no current facilities over here, only almost 1 or 2 hours we were getting. So that time we have just provided the things which is after seeing the guidelines of 14 Finance, we have to work on that. So the quotations, the rates, we have to decide it with the after giving the quotation and verifying that we have just provided. But after 1 year, for last 1 year, we are getting plenty of goods.
You are a highly qualified public representative. What is the condition of education in your panchayat?
Well, as comparing before COVID, we can't say now that this year. So
we can understand. What was the condition before COVID?
Before COVID, it was a very good condition. This was the panchayat which started the computer facilities over here to the peoples or to the students, so that the people can to fight the modern era. As we that today is the computer era this time. So we have just given the free education to the computers to the students of studying over here.
Free computer education to the students.
Yeah.
All right. What you more want to say about the condition of the education?
Just I wanted to know, we have to achieve now, Newton has said that Newton was so talented and so scientific. He said that I have just achieved a pebble of this
entire universe.
Entire universe. In sea, we have just achieved a pebble. So Newton said that this is the pebble. So we can't say that our education is complete. Till the last breath, we can study, we can learn, we can do anything. We can learn from the others, learn from the guardians, learn from the others. So I'll try to do this. I have many plans, road plans over here, blueprint over here. I have also. I just wanted to. I have a dream project over here. I wanted to make my panchayat Wi-Fi free. in last 2 years. Inshallah, if I'll come in the next elections, I will try to bring a Wi-Fi free to the people, to the students. So that will be the big achievement for this modern era.
How many government and private schools and Anganwadi centers are now in the present?
I have 4 schools in 4 villages, and private schools is 6 above here, and 4 Anganwadis over here. And you will glad to know that we have just made it the Jilla's first Anganwadi as a play school. I can give you the demo. And later on, I made the first Anganwadi play school in Pune, all over the district. The first panchayat over here is Dalangi.
Congratulations to you. What is the condition of health here? Is the people getting medical treatment in your panchayat?
Yeah, recently that NM visit regularly after 15 days, every 15 days they visit and they give the documents to all the things, the child newborn babies, and as well as the mother who is getting newly born.
On the basic needs and requirements of the people of Dalangi and the work which he has been doing for them, we are being told by himself. Mr. Mahfouz, you are the Mukhya of Dalangi Panchayat, and you are young and educated as well. Talking about the pandemic corner, 1 year has been passed, but the result is the same. How did you spend this 1 year, very terrible 1 year, with your panchayat and panchayat's common people?
It was very tough for us that suddenly the COVID comes into this attack, and suddenly all the lockdowns were held last in the month of 22nd March last 2020. I made a message and I have sent all the buddies who is studying in abroad as well as the metropolitan cities. And I told them anyhow we and our government will try to bring you back. Don't panic. If anything needs, just contact us. And we have just planned with the proper way. We have just arranged a meeting in a short period of time. So we have selected to the peoples who is energetic, who is hardworking, who is responsible over here. I just devoted the duty to all the ward wise, so that all the things we are providing the sanitizers, providing the masks, and providing the seeds, the rices, the things what is necessary for the people. So we have just sent it to the houses, by houses. Even though the school was closed, we have tried to send the scholarship monies to the students, to the children, to the house. We have organized to the small with the 5 people. So we have arranged to the kids, and we have sent the scholarship monies and right as well to the students also, because the students is also the future generation. So I have to look after them also with the positive response. And it was very tough. Now suddenly they all were supported in the well manner. Our person also supported in the proper way. So we have just.
What is the current condition of the COVID? Is there any case?
No. Because it's initially in 2020 there was 2 cases from my panchayat of Guritan, but after sending to the quarantine center, after 14 days, I just until then there is no any COVID.
There is no any.
No, nothing.
Mr. Mahfouz Alam was sharing his experience during the pandemic corona, his work, dedication, and the contribution on panchayat basis for the panchayat and panchayat's common people. These all things are quite praiseworthy. You have been the Mukhya of this panchayat, Dalangi, for 5 years. Very soon in Jharkhand, the panchayat election is going to happen. Will you once more come before the panchayat people as the Mukhya candidate?
Yeah, definitely I'll come, because serve the people with my own soul and purpose. With my soul.
Will you fight the election?
Definitely I'll fight the election.
You will fight. So, what do you think? And what is your opinion about it? In the second time, when you go before the panchayat people, will the people select or elect you?
Yeah, as per the law, to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. If I have served the people, I will get definitely 100% win.
I need your answer in percent. How many percent you think that you will win again the election?
100%.
100%. It's one-sided faith, It's one-sided belief. What is the reason of it?
Because I have served with that emotions, with that patience, with that peaceful minds. I have never made anything wrong as per my belief.
Mahfouz Alam, the Honorable Mukhya of Dalangi Panchayat Bini Block, Grady District, will fight the election for the post of Mukhya from this panchayat in the incoming election of Jharkhand. And according to him, he will win the election he is sure of his victory and triumph as the Mukhya of this Panchayat in the incoming election from this particular Panchayat, which is Dalangi. 100% sure he is about his triumph and victory. And the reason for this is that he has served the people of this Panchayat and this Panchayat for 5 years by heart and soul. And this is the reason he is very, very sure about his triumph. Once more time, when he will go before the people of this Panchayat, the Panchayat people will give his affections and his support to him. He believes it. My and my channel's best wishes and compliments is always with you.
Really, thank you, and thank you all that you have spent and you have just take a time for our village to go around and see the progress we have done. And thank you very much to you also and your cameramen also. And thank you to the News 21s, and will always be very thankful, heartily thankful to the News.
I am also, Mr. Mahfouz Alam, very pleased and glad to come your Panchayat today. I have seen the work of development which you have done. Those works are very praiseworthy. I appreciate by heart and soul whatever you have been doing for 5 years continuously. I am meeting to you first time, and whatever you have told are akin to the things which you have been doing. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy the way you have responded me and the way you have done the work for the people of your Panchayat. It's a praiseworthy. Thank you very much for being a part of our interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you too, and News 21 camera.